Hey, hello there. My name is Phil Cowdell, and I'd love to talk to you today about how to be conscious and how by being conscious we can improve the world of advertising. Easy, hey? The thing that I'd like to share with you and preview here is the idea of being a conscious business partner. And as a conscious business, what we're doing is we're going beyond the obvious thing of being a for-profit company or a for-good charity and working out how we can do both of those. So as well as delivering superior advertising performance, we can also do right for people and planet. Wouldn't that be a fabulous thing? So what we're going to share with you is really sort of four areas. The first one is, what does it take to be a conscious business? The second one is looking at the four phases of consciousness and how we go through that journey that gets us from being, frankly, blissfully unaware of some things that are harmful through to automatically doing the right thing and doing it in a way that's much more in balance and in line with society, people, and planet. Then we've got to anchor it in some real-world implications and understand what it means in terms of our day-to-day jobs, what we can change, what we can influence, and how we evolve. And then finally, I want to sort of just paint the road ahead and give some tips about how we go forward to get there. So what you're going to get in this talk is really this understanding of how to be a conscious business, how to make a bigger impact, create not only better, hardworking advertising, but have a greater impact on positivity, on people, and on planet. Thank you very much.